The effects of this pandemic are hitting underserved communities especially hard right now. Today, Stacey Abrams hoped to make that message clear to a panel of experts. As 11 Alive Shanu Her explains, she talked about what those hardships really look like.
What we know is that COVID-19 has had a devastating effect on our country, especially in the South.
Stacey Abrams and her nonprofit, the Southern Economic Advancement Project, highlighted some of the harsh realities in a video conference. Abrams says there's a higher population of at-risk people in the South, including those who have healthcare needs and the elderly.
We know that there are lower rates of healthcare coverage writ large, in part because most Southern states have refused to expand Medicaid, the very program that would be necessary to support a number of the most at-risk populations in the South.
Yet we see that across the South, more than 29% of Southern workers are not covered by sick leave. Only 1.8% of the population is receiving direct income assistance.
The panel says on top of a lack of health care, SNAP benefits coverage in the region is low, leaving families unsure how they'll afford food.
In our most recent survey, 6 out of 7 respondents who had been working reported lost earnings. 60% of those reported having no income.
Stacey Taylor works for tech company Propel, which helps families find resources. Taylor says about 40 million people nationwide receive SNAP benefits, and that number has increased rapidly since the pandemic, with people losing jobs. Abrams says it's going to take both federal and state leaders to find solutions to the needs.
But we also know these are solvable problems if we understand them. And to understand them, we have to go to the people who face those challenges every day.
Abrams says these problems can be solved if we articulate them and discuss responses.